Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn as a data analytics. Today's is learn as a part 12 is a documentation. Documentation is best practice are the guidelines for as creating a clear, accurate and as a organized document. And the best practice is use a simple language as a keep the information accurate as organize the content with headings and update the documents regularly, include dates and as a versions numbers and as a avoid unnecessary information. And the example is the instance of as a writings the sales performance is exhibited downward trends due to seasonal fluctuations. At the right, sales is decreased because fears customers is purchased the product during the holiday seasons, and the simple writings is always as the better. And a project documentations is a record is all the important informations about a project, as include as a project name, project objectives, timelines, as the team members, task, and the deliverables and the progress reports. And examples as a project is a sales dashboard and the objectives as a analyze the monthly sales durations as a 30 days as a tools excel sql tabular and the deliverables as a interactive sales dashboard. Third is a data documentation. Data documentation is describe the data using the in a project and include data sources as a colon names and data types and as a data format missing the values and the data update frequency. And examples as a data set is a customer's information. First as a colons is a meanings and as a customer's id is a unique customer's numbers and names is a customer's names as to give city customer cities and as a purchase is a total purchase amount as to show. Fourth is a business documentation. A business documentation is a record as a business requirements, process, and as a goal, and include as a business problems, business objectives, requirements, stakeholder, and as a expected outcomes. And the examples as the business problems is the online sales are as a decreasing and the objective as a increase the online sales by as a 20% and the requirement to as create a dashboard is as showing the monthly sales and as a customer trends. A fifth is a meetings notes. Meeting notes are writing the record of that was as discussed during the meeting. And the meeting notes is should as include date and times as a participant, topic discussed, as a decisions made, and the actions items, and as a deadline. And the examples as a meeting date is a 10th July 2026. The participant is a sales manager and data analyst. And as a discussion is a monthly sales report. And a decisions is a create a dashboard before as a Friday. And as a actions as an analyst will as a prepare the report. And the meeting notes is prevent as the confusions is later. Six is a version control. A version control is a system that has a tracked and change made to files over times. And as a benefit, it track the changes and the prevent the data flows, as a support the team works, and as a restore the previous versions, and as a keep the project histories and the popular tools as a Git, GitHubs, GitLabs, and the Bitbuckets. And the example version 1 is a sales report dot XLSX is a Excel Microsoft Excel files has to create, and the version 2 is added the customer's analysis, and version 3 is corrected sales calculations. And if as a version 3 has mistakes, you can as a return to a version 2. Seventh is a maintaining a record. As a maintaining the record means as a storing the important documents and the data is safely for a features is used. And as a records may as include a report as a customer's data, as the sales data, contracts, as the meeting notes and the project documentation. And the examples, companies store all the monthly sales report from last 5 years, and the managers can also compare their year's performance with a previous year. And organize the file. As organizing of files means as arranging the files and the folders in a logical way. And the tips is a user as clear the files names and create a folders by the project and including a date in files names, and as a remove the duplicate files and keep a backups. And the example as a data analytics project, and first is data, and data inside as a customer data dot excel files as a sales data dot excel file, and after the report inside as a report folder inside the monthly reports .pdf files and the dashboard .pptx file, and as after the SQL folders inside the sales queries .sql as that, and as a last folder is a documentation inside a project plan docs file and a meeting notes docs file. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.